Hello folks, this is Steve, AB4L. I'm in Ramseur, this is US 64. And I'm noticing the signs. I'm wondering what they're doing here in this snowstorm. Oh no, after the snowstorm. No, it's still cold. What are they doing? What are they doing? It's not pipeline. Now I would turn left here diagonally to go to Liberty and up to Burlington on 42, NC 42. I'm curious what they're doing. Let's find out what they're doing. Siler City, 12 miles. We're not going to go that far. Watch for people. It's electrical stuff. See it to the left? See it on the left? They only got one truck up in the trees. What's this guy trying to do? Let's see what's on the truck. He's hauling something. It's a big load. I gotta turn around. Matlab's a big operation around here. All truck drivers, it's your responsibility that at least one wheel is cocked before loading and unloading begins. Sounds like they had an accident sometime where a truck rolled away. That's what it sounds like. You got a little nudge from a forklift and away it went. That's a guess. Never know what you're going to see when you're on the road. And when this traffic passes, we'll jump right out and see the electrical work from the other direction. Okay. And we got over the snow hump. Right lane closed. He's still sitting there. I wonder if he's broken down. The guy's working up there in the trees. Tarzan. Okay, my curiosity is satisfied. This is Ramseur on US 64. It's not downtown Ramseur, it's just Ramseur, like Dixie Drive going through Asheboro, on the edge of Asheboro. Steve AB4L, just being nosy, saying see you at 73.